Hey you guys, it's Britt. Today I am bringing to you another quick mascara review. Today we are reviewing the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash Mascara. So I was super excited to see this at my local Ulta and it looks like something that I would enjoy. So fingers crossed if you're interested in seeing it applied and hearing some of my thoughts, so please keep watching. All right guys, so I picked this up yesterday at my local Ulta. It was $10 and I did look at the tester in store, and the brush is a nice big hourglass natural bristle brush. I'll insert a close-up for you guys as always. And this, compared to Lash Paradise, the bristles are closer together. This really reminds me a lot of the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. So we will see how it applies. I am going to do 3 coats because that is what I typically do when I either pair mascaras or, come up with my own formula. So I will do 3 coats of this and we will see what it looks like after each coat applied. So all right, so there is 1 coat, really easy to apply. The brush is very comfortable. It's not like sticking me in the eye or anything like that. So that's great. So there's 1 coat on each eye. I just thought of an idea. What I want to do, since I love my Lash Paradise so much, is for the other 2 coats on this eye, I'm going to use my Lash Paradise, and then I will use only the Stellar Lash on this eye, and let's just see sort of what they look like side by side. So there's 2 coats of the Stellar Lash. A little clumpy, but it's really not terrible. I can see that on a couple of lashes it is collecting on the ends of my lashes, so I don't love that. This could be just a mascara that looks better when it's paired with other mascaras, but we'll see what it looks like compared to mostly Lash Paradise. Okay, so there is 1 coat of Stellar Lash, 1 coat of Lash Paradise, and then this is 2 coats of Stellar Lash. It's not a super wet formula, but it is a little bit more wet than Lash Paradise. So if you do not like a wet formula, you might want to keep that in mind. I'm gonna let this sit for another like 20 or 30 seconds before I go in with more, since it is a little wet. All right, so let's do the 3rd and final coat. See what this looks like. Okay, so there is 3 coats. I mean, that is like mega volume. I'll insert a close-up of each of my eyes since there's sort of different stuff happening. All right, so there is the final coat with the Lash Paradise mixed in. So after I got that 3rd coat on, the clumpiness on the ends of my lashes, I was able to sort of sort those out. I think that with the Lash Paradise, there is a little bit more volume at the base of my lashes, looking at it, but they are very similar. So the deciding factor for me will be if it flakes or smudges on me, and I'll update the description box or pin a comment or do something with an update for you guys, but I'll insert a little close-up. So right now I do like it, but I would say, like, if you have Lash Paradise and you're happy with that, then I don't think you need to run out and go buy it. But if you're interested in trying a new mascara and you do enjoy Lash Paradise, then this might be one that you want to try next time. But again, I will update the description box or comment section, so check that out. But for now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.